Hey, this is Sasha. Thanks for joining me in today's video. What I wanted to do is share with you some insight on what we do in the Swing Charts membership plan. Now, this video that you're going to see right now is a quick little clip, meaning it's cut, and you'll see a couple of little sections of it from the actual members section. So in the members section, you'll get the full video. In this video, you'll go ahead and see a little cut or trimmed version of it. So if you're interested in joining us to see what we do in the members section of the Swing Charts membership, go ahead and take a look at our website at tradersfly.com. So you can see it's tradersfly.com, and you'll be taken to a site like this. By the way, go ahead and check out some of the freebies we have there. You can download a bunch of freebies absolutely free by going to this area. But if you want to see the members section, go ahead and click this members area right there. And then you can go here and you can check out the Swing Charts, and that'll take you to a page similar to this. Now, just for you guys right now, because we have kind of this deal promotion going on, I want to go ahead and share the love. So you can go ahead and click the Get It Now button here on the monthly plan. And what you can do is go ahead and when you go to the coupon, share the love, all lowercase, apply the coupon, and what it'll do is give you half off the first month for signing up. So again, remember, coupon codes expire from time to time. It's not going to last forever. So as you're watching this video, maybe it already expired. But in the meantime, we try to keep this coupon code active as you're watching the video. So keep that in mind. If you have any trouble or issues, feel free to reach out to us or our team. Anyways, I'd love to see you in the membership section. We really focus in on charts, technical analysis, and you'll get a sample of that here as we go into this video. So enjoy the video, and I'll see you at the end. So anyway, let's get started with some charts here. I'm going to start with AMD here for you. And this is where we're going to go. All right, so let's go and let's check out this resistance level. As you take a look at this stock, there's a couple of interesting levels here. So here we got the 50 to 60 level. You also have this kind of, I'll make that one pink. You also have kind of this upward range that the stock is moving on. Yes, we did have a previous at this level here was kind of a breakout level. Here's going to be our resistance level. This is where your support level is at. And what you're watching for is right here within this recent sideways consolidation pattern. Watch for a possible break over here. So watch for a break above the resistance level, as this could continue to fuel the stock. The big issue here with this stock is that the volume is quite weak. That's the huge problem here that we have. Because as you take a look at there, the volume is just not there. So for me, I'm much more neutral on something like this because there's no volume. Yes, prices are still consolidating. The stock's powerful. The stock's, I guess, has some interesting people following it, meaning it's got some attractiveness to it, but the volume's not there. The price pattern still hasn't broken. So this could be an area of problem. So be careful. Okay, DKNG. I think this one, as you look at kind of the support around 30, this is where you've got your support level right there. Here's some bullish volume that was attempting to pick up. For me, as I look at this, I'm kind of more looking at this downward pattern. There was maybe your next breakout from that channel. You do have a bit of this resistance area right here at the top. So here we've got resistance, and but the stock's back above a little bit of that moving average, which I think is good and healthy. But this is the line in the sand. This is what you're watching for. So watch for the support level, as this should be your stop. Otherwise, this stock seems to attract a lot of people and investors, but take profits into strength. It is a new company, so this could be a little bit of a pro and a con, but this is kind of some of the key tips that you want to watch out for. Here's that support level. That's what you want to watch. We're trying to pop a little bit. You've got some resistance overhead, but as you're trying to pop, It looks okay, you've got the volume there, but just you want that stability, because this big picture now, what you're thinking of is that maybe a sideways consolidation pattern? I don't know. We'll see with time, but it's right now it's between 30 and like 45. So I'm neutral on the stock to probably even more so bullish if you're looking at lower levels right here at around 30. So I think if you want to nibble and look for it as a possible investment, because as you look at some of these bullish volume spikes, and just the growth of the stock, it's been continuing to kind of head and ramp up higher. So it's possible that we're just pausing here for the time being. And if that's the case, then that's great. But if this is going to start to roll over and have more problems, then definitely you want to get out of that. Stamps. This one has been doing very well. So if you look at kind of just the daily recently, or even kind of a 3-day here, just look at what's been going on. We did have a little bit of issues, but you know, we continue to go ahead and the stock continues to be strong. So that's what I wanted to point out. And if you really just look at, let's just go into the daily here, this volume, comparing it to really this past, that past has a lot more volume, and that's what's stretching it. But if you zoom in a little bit, you can see that volume starting to pick up there as well. So that's a little bit of the issue is because of this previous volume. It's a little bit of an outlier there for the stock. But check it out. I mean, here it is. Here's your resistance level. There you go. Stock continues. There's a nice breakout pattern. Stock looks good. If you look at just kind of the overall trend, we're kind of got two lines. We started slower. Here's the first trend. And then you've got the second trend. And now we're almost starting a third trend. So be careful. You could be stretched. Wait for possible pullback. If you want to be cautious, if you want to nibble, you can do that, but stock looks healthy overall as far as the movement goes. Here's our other resistance level. So here we go. There's the resistance. Boom. Go ahead. It's doing, and it's moving. Stock continues to move well since previous lows and supports. So continue to ride and take profits into strength. Otherwise, looks pretty good, looks healthy, as long as we don't get too far stretched. That's the key. Okay, so there you go. Thank you so much for watching and joining me in this little clip video. Remember, this was just a shortened clip and version of what we do in the members section. If you want to join us, go ahead and go to the website at tradersfly.com. That way you get insight on, hey, some of the freebies, the get started pages, and join us on the membership section by clicking the members area here. That'll forward you to our members website, and you can go ahead and sign up for the swing charts if it's something that you're interested in. Anyways, thank you so much for joining us. Remember, hit the subscribe button if you're brand new to the channel, or of course, join the mailing list by clicking the link right over here. And that way you get notified as we release other great videos, products, courses, or even live events sometimes on YouTube. All right, thanks again, and I will see you next time.